Get her.
Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Did you know what this is for? It's for tires. So you can measure. So you can measure like how much the air has in the tire.
All right, that's right, girls. This is called a tire gauge. And like we said in our other video about picking up the pecans, we're gonna show you what this is. And this gauge, what you do, you stick it into the tire and it tells you how much pressure is in there. So you know if your tire has too much air and it might explode, or if you don't have enough and it means that your tire's flat. So we're gonna go test my truck right now. And some newer vehicles, they just tell you how much pressure is in your vehicle, but my vehicle is like a 2006 truck, and so it doesn't tell me, so we gotta go test it out. So let's go test it out. I think I kind of have a flat tire, and then we'll go pump it up. What do you think, girls?
Yeah, good.
All right.
And I'm gonna fix this. And I'm gonna do this. And what is this for?
And I'm gonna do this. All right, let's go. Okay, here's some really cute girls, but a very ugly truck. Maybe we need to go through the car wash as well. But for right now, we're gonna look at the tires. So first of all, you have to take off that little cap. See, that's where you stick the gauge into.
I'll do it.
Okay, it's important not to lose the cap. So where did you put the cap? Okay, just put it on as you drop it. Okay, put it on the ground right next to the tire. Sometimes it's good to put it in your pocket. Okay, now you got to, let me see the tire gauge. Let me see it. So you have to stick this end of it into that part right there. Blow it all the way up. Push it. Whoa. What'd you do? Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, what does it say, Julie?
35.
No, let me see the camera. Show it to the camera. No, it's about 33. Okay. Okay. Now that one's 33. Let's go try the other ones, okay?
Oh, that has so much air.
I know. I don't know what's going on with that one. Okay, let's go try this back tire. All right, take the cap off.
Okay, we got the cap off. And now, new one.
Okay, stick it in there. Okay, pull it. Oh, not that one. That one doesn't work. Do the other one. Yep. All right, maybe I should have taught them how to do it first. So I'm going to show them how to do it the correct way. Okay, so if you're hearing a lot of noise like they were doing it, like this, that means you're just letting air out of the tire. So you want to do it really quick, push it in really hard and quick. Okay. All right, so that one is saying about 25. Okay, let's try this one. This tire kind of looks like it needs some air in it. So I wonder how much pressure is in this one. How much do you think's in this one, Jenny?
That one is 25. And probably like 15 or something. I don't know.
Okay, stick it in there. Nope. What does it say?
20.
20. Try it again. Nope. Nope. No, you got to leave it in a little longer.
I'm going to go out.
Okay, if it's making that noise, that means you don't have it on there correctly. So you got to get it on there perfectly square on there. Push hard. Whoa. All right, let me try. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna help out the girls since they're kind of struggling with this. That one says 35. So we got 33, 35, and the other one's 25. All right, let's try the back one. Yep, right there. Make sure it's on nice and 35. So the only one that really needs air in it is the back driver's side. That one needs about 10 more pounds of pressure. So let's go fill it up.
Well, guys, yeah, there's cars over there, and they're right where we're gonna pump up our tires. So we're gonna go get a treat.
Yeah, we made it to the gas station where you pump up your tires. So we might as well go get a treat while we're here, right?
Yeah.
All right, we got our treats. And we're right here by the air. We're gonna pump up the tire. So what'd you get, Jenny, for your treat?
Got a slushie and it's tiger's blood.
What'd you get, Julie?
Blue bubble gum.
All right. And I got the usual Mountain Dew. Very good. So this takes $1, and I think it lasts for a few minutes. And so we're kind of on the clock. So once we put the quarters in there, we kind of have to hurry. But luckily, we're only doing one tire. Okay, Jenny, you put 2 quarters in, and Julie, you put 2 quarters in, okay?
You should get that ready.
Okay, and then get the tire ready, so take the cap off too. Okay, let's do it. Yep, you put it right in there.
One more.
All right, we're ready to go. Okay, grab it. Bring it over here. Okay, so you're gonna stick that in there. Okay, and once you do that, then push down that lever right there by your thumb. Yeah, there you go. And then we'll get the gauge ready, and we'll see how much air we put into it. So we started out with 25, because you can always fill it up a little bit more and then let it out. But if you don't fill it up and then that runs out, you got to put more quarters in there. Okay, let's stop and see where it's at. All right, what does it say?
20.
Still 25?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. All right, let's test it out. See if we did good. What does it say?
I got 35.
35. All right, perfect. Now we're equal with pretty much all of them.
Yep.
Good job.
I'm just gonna waste air.
That's a good blow dryer for your hair.
Get a shower in this. Over here.
Get her.
I guess he can't go really far. Where are you?
Oh, they ran out.
We're fun.
Yeah, hang it up.
All
All right, well, I feel a lot better knowing that my tire is now pumped up and they're all equal, so my tire doesn't go flat on me. Right? Good job, girls. You did really good.
Yeah. How do
You get any brain freezes yet? Yeah?
Okay, how do you remember in our last video, this pumice stone how to clean the toilet? Well, we're gonna do that tomorrow. No, we are. We already did it. Oh, so I'm out of this. Hey, Dad, what are you holding?
So this is, it's not cotton and it doesn't come out of a blanket. I'm going to show you in one of our next videos what it's for. It is called insulation. Everyone who has a house has it. And so we're going to show you why you have it in our next video. So go ahead and check that out and we'll see you next time. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.